Technology has transformed nearly every aspect of our daily lives. From smartphones and laptops to household appliances and wearable devices, electronics have become essential tools for work, communication, education, and entertainment. Yet as technology continues to evolve, consumers are replacing devices more frequently than ever before. Perfectly repairable electronics are often discarded simply because a newer model has been released or because a minor problem seems too difficult to fix. In this presentation, we'll explore what repair cafes are, why they have become so important, how they benefit both people and the environment, and how each of us can support a more sustainable future through repair and responsible recycling. Repair cafes are community-based workshops where people bring broken or malfunctioning items to be repaired instead of discarded. Unlike commercial repair shops, these events are typically organized by volunteers who generously donate their time, knowledge, and technical skills to help others restore their belongings. Visitors often arrive with laptops that won't power on, smartphones with damaged screens, small household appliances that have stopped working, or electronics with seemingly minor issues that can often be fixed in a relatively short amount of time. One of the most valuable aspects of repair cafes is that they encourage learning rather than simply providing a repair service. Volunteers explain what caused the problem, demonstrate repair techniques, and teach owners how to maintain their devices more effectively in the future. This educational approach empowers individuals to become more confident in caring for their electronics while promoting a culture where repair becomes the first choice instead of immediate replacement. Repair cafes remind us that many products still have years of useful life remaining if given proper care and attention. The repair cafe movement began in the Netherlands in 2009 with a simple but powerful idea: encourage people to repair instead of replace. Since then, the movement has spread across the globe. Thousands of repair cafes now operate in cities, towns, schools, libraries, community centers, and nonprofit organizations throughout many different countries. Most repair cafes rely on volunteers with diverse backgrounds. Retired engineers, electricians, technicians, hobbyists, students, and skilled professionals all contribute their expertise to help others repair a wide variety of products. Many of these workshops operate free of charge or accept voluntary donations that help support future repair events and purchase tools or replacement parts. Beyond repairing electronics, many repair cafes also assist with bicycles, clothing, furniture, toys, household appliances, and countless other everyday items. As participation continues growing, these community initiatives demonstrate that sustainability is not only about recycling, it's also about keeping useful products in service for as long as possible. Electronic waste has become one of the fastest growing waste streams in the world. Every year, millions of computers, smartphones, tablets, televisions, gaming systems, and household electronics are discarded. Many of these products are replaced because of relatively minor problems, including worn batteries, damaged charging ports, cracked screens, loose connectors, or simple electrical faults. Unfortunately, when electronics are discarded unnecessarily, valuable materials are wasted. Devices contain copper, aluminum, gold, silver, rare earth elements, and many other materials that require significant energy and natural resources to extract and manufacture. Improper disposal also creates environmental concerns because electronics often contain hazardous substances such as lead, mercury, and cadmium. These materials require careful handling to prevent contamination of soil, groundwater, and surrounding ecosystems. Choosing repair whenever practical extends product lifespans, reduces unnecessary waste, conserves natural resources, and decreases the environmental impact associated with manufacturing replacement devices. Every successful repair represents one less electronic product entering the waste stream. Repairing electronics provides remarkable environmental benefits that often go unnoticed. Manufacturing new electronic devices requires enormous amounts of raw materials, energy, transportation, and industrial processing. Mining metals, producing plastics, manufacturing semiconductors, assembling products, and shipping them worldwide all contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and resource consumption. When existing devices continue functioning through repair, many of these environmental impacts are avoided entirely. Repair also reduces the volume of electronic waste requiring recycling or disposal. Fewer discarded products mean less pressure on recycling facilities and fewer hazardous materials entering landfills. Extending product life also supports the principles of a circular economy, where products remain useful for as long as possible before eventually being recycled. Instead of viewing electronics as disposable items, repair cafes encourage us to see them as valuable resources worth maintaining and preserving. Small repair decisions made by millions of individuals can collectively produce significant environmental improvements around the world. Repair cafes create benefits that reach far beyond environmental protection. For many families, repairing a device is significantly less expensive than purchasing a brand new replacement. Extending the life of existing electronics allows consumers to maximize the value of their original investment while reducing household expenses. Repair events also create valuable educational opportunities. Participants gain practical skills by observing experienced volunteers diagnose problems, replace components, and explain how electronic devices function. These hands-on experiences often inspire greater confidence, encouraging people to attempt basic repairs themselves in the future. Repair cafes also strengthen local communities by bringing together individuals of different ages, backgrounds, and skill levels around a shared purpose. Retired professionals pass valuable knowledge to younger generations, students gain practical experience, neighbors build relationships, and communities become more connected through collaborative problem solving. In many cases, repair cafes even inspire entrepreneurs to develop businesses centered on repair services, refurbishment, and sustainable technology solutions. Although repair cafes have achieved remarkable success, they also face several significant challenges. Many modern electronic devices are intentionally designed in ways that make repairs increasingly difficult. Manufacturers may use proprietary screws, permanently sealed batteries, specialized adhesives, or software restrictions that limit independent repairs. Replacement parts and repair documentation are not always readily available, making even simple repairs unnecessarily complicated. These challenges have helped fuel the growing right to repair movement, which advocates for laws requiring manufacturers to provide repair manuals, replacement parts, diagnostic software, and specialized tools to consumers and independent repair professionals. Another obstacle is consumer perception. Many people automatically assume replacing a device will be easier or more economical than repairing it, even when repairs are relatively inexpensive. Changing these attitudes requires continued education about both the financial savings and environmental benefits that repair can provide. As awareness continues growing, more consumers are beginning to recognize that repairing electronics is often one of the smartest and most sustainable choices available. There are many practical ways individuals can help support the growing repair movement. One of the simplest is participating in a local repair cafe by bringing in broken electronics instead of immediately replacing them. Even observing repairs provides valuable learning opportunities. People with technical knowledge can volunteer their skills to assist others, helping communities expand access to affordable repair services. Communities without repair cafes can organize new events through schools, libraries, nonprofit organizations, or local community groups. Of course, not every electronic device can be repaired. Some products eventually reach the end of their useful life due to extensive damage or obsolete technology. When repair is no longer practical, responsible recycling becomes essential. Working with licensed recyclers ensures valuable materials are recovered, while hazardous components are handled safely and responsibly. Repair and recycling are complementary strategies that work together to reduce electronic waste while supporting long-term environmental sustainability. The growth of repair cafes reflects a broader shift toward more sustainable living. Instead of measuring value by constantly purchasing new products, more people are recognizing the importance of extending the useful life of existing technology. The circular economy encourages products to move through multiple stages, including repair, refurbishment, reuse, and finally recycling, before valuable materials are recovered for manufacturing new products. Education plays a critical role in this transformation. As individuals learn more about electronics, sustainability, and responsible consumption, they become better equipped to make environmentally conscious decisions. Communities, businesses, schools, environmental organizations, manufacturers, and consumers all contribute to creating this more sustainable future. When repair becomes a normal part of everyday life, society benefits through reduced waste, stronger communities, lower costs, and healthier ecosystems. Throughout this presentation, we've seen how repair cafes are transforming the way people think about electronics and sustainability. By encouraging repair instead of replacement, these community workshops help reduce electronic waste, conserve valuable natural resources, lower consumer costs, and strengthen local communities through shared learning experiences. Although modern electronics sometimes present repair challenges, continued support for the right to repair movement and greater public awareness are making repairs increasingly accessible. When repairs are no longer possible, partnering with licensed recyclers ensures electronics are processed responsibly, valuable materials are recovered, and hazardous substances are safely managed. Every repaired laptop, smartphone, appliance, or electronic device represents one more step toward reducing waste and building a more sustainable future. Small individual decisions, repairing instead of replacing, can collectively create lasting environmental change. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the growing Repair Cafe movement and its role in extending the lifespan of electronic devices. Every repair represents an opportunity to reduce waste, conserve valuable resources, save money, and support a healthier environment. Whether you're repairing a favorite electronic device or responsibly recycling equipment that can no longer be restored, every action contributes to a more sustainable future. When electronics eventually reach the end of their usable lives, partnering with licensed recyclers ensures they are processed safely, responsibly, and with the environment in mind. If you'd like to learn more about responsible electronics recycling, sustainable disposal practices, or environmentally responsible recycling solutions, we're here to help. Together, by choosing repair whenever possible and responsible recycling when necessary, we can reduce electronic waste, conserve natural resources, strengthen our communities, and build a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you for watching.